The second indicator that I use is called MACD Histo. Its full name is Moving Average Convergence Divergence Histogram, or just Histo. What is MACD Histo indicator? It is a momentum indicator. It measures the momentum of the stock's price movement. In simplest of words, momentum measures if an object speed is increasing or decreasing. If an object is moving faster and faster, either up or down, then its momentum is rising. In this picture, a rocket is moving up faster and faster, hence its momentum is rising, but on the upside. A shooting star is falling down with greater speed, hence its momentum is also rising, but on the downside. Conversely, if an object is moving slower and slower, its momentum is falling. Let us see an example. This ball moving down a slope will move faster and faster down because its down momentum is increasing. The same ball rising up the slope will move slower and slower because its momentum is decreasing and may eventually reverse its direction and start moving down faster again on rising momentum. Bit confused? Please do not worry. Just remember this. An increase in momentum keeps an object moving in that direction. But a decrease in momentum makes the current directional move a suspect. The object can either start moving slowly or even reverse its direction. So, MACD Histo indicator measures momentum, which is the great uniqueness of this indicator. It is a very useful indicator as it has predictive powers. It warns us beforehand which way a stock's price is headed in the future. E13 has no such predictive powers as it follows the price. Hence, E13 is called a lagging indicator. Now let's learn how does it look like and what is the meaning. The indicator has two parts, a center line and bars above and below it. The bar is a histogram, hence the indicator name MACD Histo. The central line is set at 0 and it defines positive and negative momentum areas. Positive momentum means stock is rising. Negative momentum means stock is falling. The bars are either green or red in color. The length of the bars vary, signifying strength of the momentum. Small bar means smaller strength and vice versa. There are red and green bars above and below the central line. What does it mean? If the bars are above the central line, it means stock is having positive momentum and is likely to keep rising. The red bar only indicates slowing down of the positive momentum, like when we are cycling. Sometimes our speed is slow, sometimes fast, but we are moving in the same direction. The first red bar below the line indicates that momentum has now changed from positive to negative. Hence, stock direction is likely to reverse from up to down. If we see more red bars and longer in shape, that means the negative momentum is increasing and the stock is likely to continue falling further down. We may see green bars below the line, which means the negative momentum is slowing down. But if we again see red bars below, it means negative momentum is continuing. The time we see a green bar above the line means now negative momentum has changed to positive and stock direction is likely to reverse from falling down to up. Now let's check out a real stock chart from my trading work with MACD Histo indicator. This is a stock line chart with MACD histo indicator in the bottom part. The red-green line above is the price line and the gray or white central line with red and green bars above and below is the histo indicator. Here we find histo is falling below zero line with greater momentum as the bars are getting longer. Now we see the first signs of momentum changing from negative to positive. But we need to wait till histo rises above zero line. Here histo is now above zero line. That means momentum has turned to positive for sure and stock is likely to continue rising. The red histo bars above zero line indicate slowing down of the positive momentum but not reversal. Now histo has fallen below zero line, which means momentum has reversed from positive to negative and price is likely to fall. If we study the price line, we find stock's price direction is following the histo indicator. Now let's learn what trading signals MACD histo indicator generates. A buy signal is generated when histo first moves above the zero line. A sell signal is generated when histo first falls below zero line. How I use MACD histo indicator? I use this indicator along with E13 to generate better signals for the same two purposes. One, to decide what to buy or which stock to buy. This pertains to stock selection. And two, when to buy the stock that I just selected. This question is connected with reading stock direction. More details about how I use it we will learn in later sutra.